Welcome to another episode of Tech Talks, where we dive deep into the innovations transforming our world. Today, we're exploring a fascinating toolset that allows you to convert your ebooks into audiobooks using some advanced technology. Whether you're a passionate reader wanting to experience books in a new way, or an educator looking to make texts more accessible, this is a conversation you don't want to miss. So let's dive right into it. Have you ever wished you could listen to your favorite books while on the go? Well, now you can. There's a project called ebook2audiobook Converter that simplifies this process using cutting-edge tools like Calibre, FFmpeg, and FairSeek. Now you might be wondering, how does it all work? It essentially leverages text-to-speech models to bring your ebooks to life. You can either use a graphic interface or run it headless, a fancy term meaning it works behind the scenes without a visible interface. Perfect for those who like to keep things minimal, right? Here's the key point. This project supports voice cloning. This means not only can you convert text to speech, but you can also create a voice that sounds like a specific person or even your own voice. That's pretty mind-blowing if you ask me. Imagine listening to your autobiography read back to you in your own voice. How surreal would that be? But what about languages? This tool supports an astonishing 124 languages. So whether you're looking to convert a book in Spanish, Chinese, or even a lesser-known dialect, chances are this tool has you covered. It's a fantastic way to promote literacy and accessibility in various cultures. Speaking of languages, can you believe it allows customization? Users can specify parameters like speed of speech, top K sampling for more natural sounds, and even select which device to use, CPU or GPU, for the task at hand. This flexibility means that you can fine-tune the audiobook experience to suit your preferences. And here's a creative twist. Let's talk about how you can batch process multiple ebooks. That's right. Imagine setting up a folder filled with books and sitting back to let the software do its magic. You could easily end up with a library of audiobooks to enjoy or share, all without lifting a finger. So, how can you get started? You can clone the project's repository from GitHub, and with a few simple commands, you'll be on your way to creating your own audiobooks. And for all you tech enthusiasts out there, Docker support guarantees that it runs efficiently, regardless of your environment. Before we wrap up, I have to ask, what's the first book you'd convert into an audiobook? Picture that moment when you hit play and hear the words come alive. It's kind of like an echo of your reading journey, just in a different format. As we conclude our exploration of the ebook to audiobook converter, it's evident that these tools not only enhance our reading experiences, but also democratize access to literature across the globe. Whether for leisure, learning, or creativity, transforming text into audio opens new doors for connection and comprehension. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talks. If you enjoyed this dive into audiobook technology, feel free to share your thoughts or questions. Until next time, keep exploring and happy listening.